freaks, fans, and friends, it's the Pope of Plastic here from the Cathedral of Model Building, where over the past day I taught everybody how to build this beautiful little Sherman. We started it at 10 in the morning and we finished it this morning. It took about 8 hours total from start to finish, and couldn't be happier with it. And I hope that everybody that followed along learned something and proved to themselves that they can do a model. It doesn't take weeks and months to do a model, that you can do a beautiful model in not a huge amount of time. And if you apply just basic techniques, that the weathering and everything else will come together fairly quickly. And I would encourage you to go back and watch all the lives. They're all recorded here on my YouTube, and you can see how we do this. And you can go and buy this beautiful little 1/48 scale Tamiya Sherman Tank. You can get it in my Amazon store, amazon.com/shop/the Pope of Plastic. And you can purchase this tank and then rewatch the videos and do it start to finish, and you'll have a beautiful model in a very short period of time. And I think if you apply the techniques that I taught you in that live session, that you can apply that to other models, and I think you'll see that you'll be able to complete models a little faster than maybe you've done them in the past. And in the end, you're going to have just a beautiful, beautiful little model. And you can apply this to big models, small models, medium models. You can do it to aircraft, to armor, to cars, whatever you're building. I think if you go and watch those lives, that you might learn a few things. I hope you will anyway. And I might answer some questions that you've had about weathering and airbrushing that maybe you haven't gotten before. And again, you're more than welcome to message me, and I'll always answer everybody and answer your questions. And I just hope that you have some fun model building, and you stay in the hobby, and you encourage other people to get in the hobby, and that's what it's all about. So do me a favor, check out the live videos. They're posted now here on YouTube. They'll be up for forever, and you can always refer back to them as you're building this little Sherman or anything else that you're working on. Again, please check out my website, thepopofplastic.com, and if you want to buy this little model, you can go and get it out of my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/the Pope of Plastic. And I hope to see you around the Cathedral of Model Building again soon. We'll do this again. Maybe next time we'll do a little airplane. I can show you how I do an aircraft. And please check out each week. I do my vintage unboxing series from Harry's Hobbies in Norton, Massachusetts. And I'm always on here building live. We'll be on here building a bunch of other things. You never know what's up next here in the Cathedral of Model Building. I will see you soon.